Hey everybody, I'm Storm Shield meteorologist Jason Myers. It's April 29th, 2014, a little after 3 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern Time. Wanted to give you an update on the severe weather situation. The SPC has Mississippi and Alabama, at least parts of it, under a moderate risk right now. Right where you're seeing that red bullseye is where we're seeing that moderate risk, spanning really from this little corner of Louisiana all the way up to about Birmingham, Alabama. And a slight risk all the way over to southern Virginia, most of North Carolina, and as far north as parts of Michigan, Indiana, and Ohio. This is all going to start firing here later this afternoon and this evening. The biggest threat is going to be another tornado outbreak. The last couple of days, we've seen about 100 tornadoes across the South, and we'll see a possibility for more tornadoes popping up later this afternoon and this evening. And again, the bullseye for tornadoes is about the same region that we're seeing that bullseye for a moderate risk. Hail, a little bit bigger area, again, across the South, Mississippi, Alabama, parts of Georgia, that northwest corner there, and even southern Tennessee, including Chattanooga, could see some large hail. And then another small bullseye over parts of North Carolina. It looks like it covers the Raleigh area all the way over to Greenville and as far west as Greensboro. And as far north, a slight risk, again, up to Michigan, Indiana, and Ohio. Wind is about the same, a slightly larger area, but this is just some straight line wind damage is what we can expect. We've already seen a few storms firing up, and it's right along a boundary. It's a little bit of a cold front that is starting to occlude, or it's starting to die, and what that means is we're going to see this front using up the rest of the energy it has. In fact, I can show you that front. Looking at the temperatures, you can see we're in the 80s right here in southern parts of Mississippi and Louisiana, and then it suddenly drops 4 or 5, all the way down into the 60s back into Arkansas. So this front, you'll notice we're already seeing some storms firing along this little boundary, and we'll see more and more of these storms forming over the next couple of hours and continuing to move east. So more than likely, if you're in Mississippi, you're looking at severe weather moving through this evening into Alabama, probably later this evening, and then that large hail threat in North Carolina will be during the overnight hours. So it looks like quite a few things are going to be firing up here pretty soon. Pay close attention to those watches and warnings. Remember, watch means conditions are likely for an event to happen. Those will probably be popping up here pretty soon. Warning means an event is happening. Take cover, do what you have to do, and do so quickly because you may not have a whole lot of time. Keep a close eye on that Storm Shield app, and that will definitely let you know when those watches and warnings pop up for your exact location. And this afternoon, this evening, and tonight, try and stay safe.